In this lecture, we will discuss about the different genetically modified crops and organic seed production. GM crops are created for many purposes as pest resistance, herbicide tolerance, disease resistance, cold tolerance, drought tolerance, and nutrition. BT cotton and BT corn are pest-resistant GM crops. These crops require very less amount of chemical pesticides. As a result, production cost get reduced. Roundup Ready soybean is a herbicide-tolerant GM crop. Roundup herbicides contain an active ingredient glyphosate. This glyphosate is an inhibitor of an enzyme which participates in amino acid synthesis in all green plants. A new gene is inserted into crops which encode a glyphosate-resistant enzyme. Other examples of Roundup Ready crops are Roundup Ready sugar beet, canola, summer squash, alfalfa, cotton, and corn. As we know that viruses, fungi, and bacteria cause different plant diseases, GM papaya is resistant against papaya mosaic virus or PAP-MV. Unexpected frost can destroy sensitive seedlings of crop plants. For protection, anti-freeze gene is inserted into crop plant to create cold tolerance, for example in tobacco and potato. Drought guard corn is a drought-tolerant crop. CPB gene from a soil bacterium Bacillus subtilis is introduced into corn genome to create drought tolerance. Golden rice contain high content of beta-carotene, which is precursor of vitamin A. Hence, it is useful for nutrition purpose. There are some risks and dangers of GM crops which can harm the biodiversity. GM crops can harm to non-target organisms such as Bt toxin in corn can kill many species of insect larvae. Due to GM crops, many insect pests develop resistance to different chemical pesticides as mosquitoes develop resistance to DDT, insects develop resistance to Bt toxin. GM crops also cause non-GM contamination. Herbicide-tolerant gene from GM crops can introduced into weeds which make them superweeds. Pollen from GM crops can pollinate non-GM crops which cause varietal destruction. Next topic we will discuss about is organic seed production. Organic seed is used to produce organic grains, organic fruits, and organic vegetables. Synthetic pesticides and fertilizers are used for conventional seed production, while natural pesticides and fertilizers are used for the production of organic seed. All the steps remain same as we described in the lecture number 4, but two steps vary which are described here: fertilizers and plant protection. Natural fertilizers are used for organic seed production as green manure of lucerne, dhencha and legume crops, organic manure or farm yard manure, vermicompost, and biofertilizers as rhizobium, azobacter, azospirillum, blue-green algae, mycorrhiza, and phosphobacteria. Natural pesticides and fungicides are used for control of insect pests and diseases for the purpose of plant protection. Biological insects can be used for biological pest control, as parasitoid insects lay their eggs into the body of other insects. As a result, they kill the target insect. For example, Aphidius colemani is a wasp which laid their eggs into the body of adult aphids. Predator insects kill and feed on other insects. For example, lady beetle kill and feed on insects and mites. Weed feeders destroy the weeds by feeding on them. For example, Hylobius transversovitatus is a weevil which feed on certain weeds. Other biocontrol agents are Pseudomonas and Trichoderma, which kill the insects. Some physical methods can also be used as temperature regulation, which is useful for storage places, light regulation, which is useful for field crop, moisture regulation, which is useful for storage places, and sound waves can also be used to distract pests. Mechanical method can also be used as hand picking and net picking. Weed growth can also be reduced by mulching. Plastic cover is used for this purpose. Panchgavya is a natural mixture of different ingredients. Its foliar spray reduce the vegetative growth, increase the flowering, and develop the resistance against pests and diseases. Panchgavya is a mixture of following ingredients: cow dung 5 kg, cow urine 3 liter, cow milk 2 liter, curd 2 liter, butter 1 liter, palm sugar 1 kg, sugarcane juice 3 liter, tender coconut water 3 liter, and banana